Tim Orlando here with another great fresh trade. Just in time for Black Friday. Come on down and see this 2016 Chevy Trax. It's certified pre-owned. It's an LS, all-wheel drive, all-wheel disc brakes, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Great gas mileage, great performance, very comfortable, tons of warranty, a backup camera. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, so diving in for a closer look on this 16 Trax. It's got a big, tall lift gate so you can stay underneath it. It's got a sunshade. Underneath here, you got a little bit of storage with your spare tire down here, which is very nice. You can do a 60-40 split with the rear seats to add that much more room. And it is a very comfortable ride for 5 people in here. So then you have your seat back pockets, got some hard plastic on the back there if you got kids that kick the seats. Armrest, seat back, not seat back pockets, what I'm saying, cup holders, that's what I'm looking for, cup holders. Then you got a fully adjustable mechanical seat, you've got on-wheel controls for your AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, a ton of nice features, and it looks like you have the OnStar capabilities, which you'll get a free trial service with it being certified. All right, folks, as you can see, this 2016 Chevy Trax LS is going to be a really nice vehicle for you. It's going to get great fuel mileage, all-wheel drive, and it's going to offer a lot of nice features. So come on down here and see me, Tim Orlando, at Delaney Honda, right across from Walmart in Indiana on Oakland Avenue off of 422. Or just pick up the phone and give me a call, 724-717-1500. I really look forward to working with you. Have a happy holiday, folks.